Hi guys, today's going to be a really quick and easy tutorial, so first we're going to start by filming. Now that we have filmed the before and after, we're going to go straight into editing, and today we're going to be using CapCut. Start with a new project and then import your 2 clips. You can see over here I have my before, where I'm swiping the hand in front of the swiping in front of the screen, and then my after transition over here, okay? So the first thing you're gonna want to do is just trim your first clip. So if you're gonna be using the same song from this trend, you are gonna be cut right before the last swipe. This pic I took is, and then right before my last swipe, I'm gonna split it right where you see like the arm movement, maybe about here, and then delete the rest. Same thing with the after clip, you're gonna actually come in right when you're doing the arm movement, swiping into the screen. So right before the phone comes in. When you're filming, don't forget to not move the tripod or the stand that you're using to film the whole thing, so it'll create a better consistency. That's honestly kind of it, but you can see over here where I have this problem where they kind of don't align, right? So what you want to do over here is actually just adjust your sizing so that it aligns really nicely with the before and after. So over here, my problem is that I'm much closer into the screen than in the after over here. So all I'm gonna do is just pinch it, make it bigger, realign. Make sure to zoom in on the timeline as well so you can get the best accuracy for trimming. So your 2 clips should actually flow pretty well like this, and make sure to just play around with the sizing, adjust everything so that they can be very seamless all together. If you followed all the steps here, your final one should look something like this. I'll also be posting it on my Instagram as well on Shorts, so you can check out the final one and just follow this template. Have fun with this trend, tag me on Instagram if you do try it. I would love to see it, and with that being said, go create a life that you're proud of. See you next time, bye!